Okay, so in this video, I will be showing you the use of your instrument. The use of your instrument. It is very necessary. It is very necessary, okay? So we will start from this pencil over here. What is this pencil used for? This pencil is very necessary in drawing your arc. It goes along with your compass, okay? It's short because when it is placed together with your compass, it should not be in the same height with your compass. That's why you need it. If you don't have it, you have to get it or look for a pencil and then divide it or break it down for it to be this size. You get maybe between a range of 10 to 12 centimeters. You get, but it is very necessary in drawing your circles. It being short allows the flow when using your compass, so you need it. It is very necessary. Then we move to your eraser, your cleaner. You can use any cleaner, right? But please be mindful of your eraser, be mindful of your mistakes because when using your eraser, it makes your work looks rough. So be mindful of what and how many times or how frequently you use your eraser. Then we move to your sharpener. This sharpener helps you, as we all know from primary school. We use it to sharpen our pencil. Yes, it's needed. Your pencil needs to be pointy, need to be sharp at all time. Okay, this long pencil is what you use to draw. You can get it. It's HB, 2B, anyone, but it depends on how you use it. You can maybe use your strength on it, or I don't know, but please, you can use any pencil. Yes, you can use any pencil. It just depends on how you use it. Okay, so from the pencil now to the main thing, you see this, it is called the protractor. Protractor. Why is it called a protractor? Because I don't know. I seriously don't know because it looks more. Or back then, we used to mistake it for compass. Why is this not bearing compass and the other one protractor? But this is called the protractor. Okay, and the use for it is to get angles. As you can see, all these numberings on it are made and are formed out of angles. They make your angles. So that is the use of the protractor. It is the work of looking for angles or constructing an angle. Okay, then we move to this. This is the compass. That was the protractor. This is the compass. And as I was saying before, this compass, you have to be mindful. Make sure this place is tightly fixed. And this, when engaging your pencil here, putting your pencil as to this, make sure things you should do. Make sure the hair is tight. One. Secondly, they should be of the same height. One should not be longer than the other. If not, there will be an interaction. There will be a fault when drawing. Sure, there will be a fault when drawing. And secondly, you see the height of the pencil to the compass. This will make you move smoothly when going around or when drawing an arc. You get. So this is the setting and this is your compass. Okay, it's used for drawing arcs and circles. Okay, and for bisecting and the rest. Then the divider. The divider has many uses. All this has many uses. All this instrument has many uses, but I'm trying to point out to the one that is necessary for you at this point. Okay, this divider can be used to take measurements from your ruler. You can put it there and you put it and take your measurement. And there are many other uses. Okay, then we move to this. This is called a set square. But what type of set square is this? This is a 45-degree set square. If you check, as it is like this, one part of it is 45, 45, and here is 90. Why do I say here is 90? When you place it, imagine there's a line here. Okay, there's a line here. When you place this on that line, what do you get? Your 90-degree direct. When you place this part on the line, when you draw, you get your 45, and when you draw, you get your 45. So this is your 45-degree set square. The use of it is to get angles also, but it's a quick one. But it's strictly for 45 and 90-degree. Okay. Then the next one, which is this, is to get your 30, your 45, and your 90. Remember, just when you hold this, just know the slimmest part is your 30-degree. The slimmest part is your 30-degree, while this side is your 60-degree, and this other side is your 90-degree. So when you place it, you get your 90-degree. When you place it this way, you get your 30. Then when you place it this way, you get your 60. Okay, so that is all for that. I hope you understand and you get it. You can play back the video to understand it better. Okay, so watch out for my next video, and thank you.